layout of the gauges, switches and controls. Check that the park brake is applied and the gear lever is in the neutral position. You are now ready to secure your seatbelt and start the vehicle. The gearbox is a standard H pattern with two ranges, a low range and a high range. An ideal rev range to use when shifting gears is between 1000 and 1500 RPM. With the range selector down in the low position, you will be ready to select your low gears. After selecting the appropriate lift-off gear, find the friction point on your clutch. Check your mirrors, indicate your intentions, and when it is safe to do so, lift off. Gradually accelerate until you reach 1500 RPM. Engage the clutch and change to the next gear. Repeat the same process until you reach 4th gear position. In preparation to move into high range, pre-select the range selector button to the up position. This will not change the range of the vehicle until the gear lever has passed through the neutral position. Move the gear lever from 4th gear to 5th gear position. Once in a high range position, continue to increase your revs to 1500 RPM, select the next highest gear and continue the process until you have reached the right gear for the speed zone you are travelling in. You need to slow down to go down. When slowing your vehicle down, you need to remove your feet from both the clutch and accelerator. Brake as needed to slow your rev range down to 1000 RPM. At 1000 RPM, engage the clutch and shift to your next lowest gear, then disengage the clutch. Repeat this process until you reach 5th gear. Once in 5th gear, push the range selector into the down position to select low range. Engage clutch and move the gear lever from 5th to 4th gear. Continue this process until you have slowed to the desirable speed or stopped. When changing gears, only one foot must be operating at